The Thunderobot Radiant 16 i9-5080 gaming laptop is an elite-level powerhouse designed for those who demand nothing but the best in performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in description below for pricing details and availability of this gaming laptop. This machine is not just built for gaming, it's engineered for domination, both on the battlefield and in heavy creative workflows. At its core, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 is powered by the latest 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. With 24 cores, 32 threads, and a turbo boost clock speed of up to 5.8 GHz, it effortlessly handles high-load tasks like AAA gaming, streaming, rendering, and 3D modeling. This processor is paired with the GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, delivering next-level ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics performance. Whether you're exploring open-world environments, editing 4K footage, or engaging in competitive esports, this laptop doesn't break a sweat. The 16-inch WQXGA display is a standout feature, offering a stunning 2560 by 1600 resolution with up to a 300 Hz refresh rate. Visuals are buttery smooth with exceptional color, accuracy, and clarity that makes every frame count. From fast-paced FPS titles to cinematic RPGs, the experience is incredibly fluid and vivid. This panel, combined with the discrete GPU mode, ensures high frame rates without screen tearing or ghosting, ideal for serious gamers and visual creators alike. Equipped with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless even with multiple demanding applications running at once. The massive 2 TB PCIe SSD provides lightning-fast load times and ample space for your entire game library, video projects, and software tools. Add in a full-size RGB backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad and you have a versatile system that transitions smoothly between productivity and play. Thunderobot has focused on crafting a balanced machine, both in power and design. Connectivity is future-ready with 3 USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, and an audio combo jack, all backed by Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support. Its futuristic chassis is both stylish and functional, offering improved cooling and durability while maintaining a sleek and portable form factor. Whether you're working, gaming, or creating on the move, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 delivers an unbeatable combination of performance, design, and reliability. Every element, from thermal performance to build quality, has been tuned for the modern gamer. The RGB lighting adds that final touch of visual flair, customizable to your mood or setup. It's more than just a laptop, it's a complete gaming ecosystem. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you're ready to take advantage of the latest features out of the box.